Hi, my name is Tiffany. I am a mommy and I'm also a dental hygienist. What that means is that I work at the dental office and I help people keep their teeth really strong and really healthy. I hear you have your very first dental appointment coming up, and that can really be very exciting, but it can also be kind of scary just because whenever we do something new, sometimes we don't know what to expect. So I'm going to show you all of the cool things that we have at the office so that you feel really prepared for your first dental appointment. Come on. This is the dental chair. This is the chair that you're gonna sit in, but there's something really almost magical about this chair. It grows. I push a little button and the chair lifts up just like this. Oh my gosh, it's taller than I am. So we grow the chair to help bring you closer to our eyes so that we don't have to bend over as far and hurt our backs. The chair also turns into a bed. Are you ready? This is pretty cool. I like this part of the chair for sure. And I also noticed my little sunshine turned on. You see that? The sunshine is just so that it makes it easier for us to look inside your mouth and see your teeth. But don't worry, the sun's not so bright because we have sunglasses at the dental office. And sometimes the sunglasses help us feel a little braver. When I get my turn in the dental chair, I get to wear a bib too. Even adults get bibs. See? You just lay in the chair like this and try to relax. Okay, I have some tools to show you. First thing, us dental people always wear a mask, mostly so that you don't smell our stinky breath. And then some dental people wear these really funky little glasses that have a flashlight on our nose, just like Rudolph. We put little gloves on, and that makes sure our fingers don't bring germs into your mouth. Inside here, we have all of our dental tools. We call them instruments. So I open our little package, and here we have our cassette. We have our gauze, which is kind of like a towel. We have our dental floss. We have our water gun, and our little vacuum. I'm gonna show you all these things. So the really fun thing is my little water gun, but it also sprays air. Do you hear that? Drying off the teeth helps us get a really good look at them because sometimes your saliva is kind of like camouflage for the sugar bugs. And it also sprays water. Should I show you? Then we have a straw. This one's bendy. I attach him to this hose, and when I turn it on, he makes a really loud hissing noise like this. You ready? Can you hear that? It's a tiny little baby vacuum. I'm gonna show you how he slurps up water. A little bit of water, and then, see that? And sometimes we use our little towels to clean up the water too. And dental floss is really cool because it allows us to clean between the teeth, which is the sugar bug's favorite hiding spot. That's how we floss your teeth. Next up, the mirror. This little mirror lets us look inside of your mouth, lets us see how the teeth are doing and check for sugar bugs. Oh, and sometimes we use the mirror to pull the cheek out of the way, and it's almost like you're making funny faces at us, but it just helps us look at the teeth and the tongue and the gums and everything. Next up, the tooth counter. Count with me. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I counted 5 fingers, and in your dental appointment, we're gonna count how many teeth you have. Do you have any guesses? Then these other tools don't always get used at your appointment, but sometimes they do. And all it is it's a little tooth cleaner, and we use it to kind of pull any other sugar bugs and stuff off the teeth. The next little tool is our little electric toothbrush. I put a little tip into it. That's so that we're not sharing toothbrushes with other people. And I have a little ring pop. This one holds my toothpaste for me. So I put my electric toothbrush into the toothpaste. And you can see that there's a little bit of toothpaste on the toothbrush now. When I push this little button on the floor, that's when the toothbrush spins. What's interesting about brushing our teeth is that sometimes when we miss sugar bugs, they grow older on our teeth. And we know that older sugar bugs are the ones that can cause a lot of problems for our teeth, like cavities or gum disease or stinky breath. And so when you come here, we're able to help you make sure that we get off all of the sugar bugs, even the old grandpa sugar bugs that we're worried about. When we're using our electric toothbrush, we'll also hold Mr. Slurpee. That's so that we make less of a mess. And I want you to see it really nice and close. All I'm doing is brushing your teeth with my little spinning toothbrush. It's going to remove all of the bacteria from the teeth and also make your teeth super clean and shiny. Sometimes I'll put a little bit of water. Just like that. I know it seems a little silly that I'm here doing all this stuff on my own teeth, but I just want you to see that this isn't scary, and it's actually quite a bit of fun. And then once your dental hygienist is done cleaning your teeth, the dentist is going to come in and take a look at your shiny teeth and count the teeth and check for any cavities. What's important to know about cavities is that if we let them grow bigger, they can be really uncomfortable. And so our dentist is our friend who helps to stop the cavities so that they don't become painful for you. What I need you to know is that you are always allowed to feel scared and nervous. You're allowed to raise your hand up and say, I need a moment, I'm feeling scared, or can I hold my brother or sister's hand? When we know that you're feeling scared or nervous, it helps us know how to help you better. And none of us are here to hurt you. We're only here to help you keep strong, healthy teeth. If you have any questions, talk to an adult in your life about it. And if they don't know the answer, they can write it in the comments below, and I'm going to make sure that I answer any of your questions for you. Good luck at your appointment. You're going to do so great.